Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dr. Asif Academy. And today we are going to discuss about evolution topic. Evolution is one of the important concepts of biology, which states the how different type of species are evolved on the Earth surface. So, evolution states that how the different kind of species evolved from one species to another species, different structure, different functions can be understood in the concept evolution. So evolution can be understood by different type of reasons and evidences. So here one of the evidence I am going to you explain the reason behind the evidence behind the evolution. Of course, evolution is happen, we can tell it because this evidence. So that is the anatomical features, anatomical evidences. Here, the anatomical, the internal body organ structures showing the similarity and dissimilarity between the species, and that is the indication where these two species related to a common ancestor. So let us understand the anatomical evidences regarding the evolution. So anatomically we have two type of organs. One is homologous organ, another one is analogous organ. Homologous, analogous organ can be asked in the examination, upcoming examination, second phase examination for 3 marks, where you have to write these 3 points to get in the full marks. So homologous organ, what say? The organ whose structure and origin is same. Homologous organ किसे कहना चाहिए? जिसका structure और उसकी origin same है, but function is different. See, the species is same. Species एक ही है, ancestor भी एक ही है, ठीक है? उसका structure और उसका function क्या है? उसके structure और उसकी origin भी same है, लेकिन according to the place, according to the habitat demand, it's showing different function. Different function. Species is same, but function is what? Species is different. Species is different. Structure and origin is same, but function is different. This kind of organ is known as homologous organ, and this is the evidence. This is the evidence where these two species same, but according to the surrounding, according to the condition, they evolved in a different species. For example, four limbs of cheetah and bat. Of course, this cheetah and bat were evolved in different species, but inside the four limbs bones are showing similar structure and origin. And this is the one of the evidence we can say evolution is happened. At the same time, it is another consideration, that is, it is a divergent evolution. We taken it as divergent evolution. Why it is called divergent? Because the cheetah and bat were mammals. So those two mammals, they are diverted. See, some species are surviving on the land, they are living on the land, and other species on the air. Okay. So for the survivability purpose, the same group evolved it in different way. That's why it is divergent evolution. Fine. So this kind of evolution, this kind of evidence, homologous organ evidence showing the evolution is happened. Same, we can have another one, anatomical organs, that is analogous organ. How it is say? The organ whose structure and origin is different. Species is different. Structure and origin of a particular organ is also different, but showing the same function. See, species is totally different. Both are different, but for particular area, particular place, for survivability in that area, both the different species, different organism acting are showing the same function. That is analogous organ. See, analogous organs, the wings of birds and insects. The wings, For birds and insects, of course, the origin and the structure is completely different. Completely different, but both the function is same, flying. Because the habitat need it. So for survivability, they have to show this kind of structure, this kind of function. That's why the evolution happen is based on totally demand of the place. And such kind of evolution here consider as convergent evolution, because they convert in a particular behavior, in a particular function. Of course they're different. Of course they're different, but for survivability at particular place, they should show a particular kind of function, that kind of convergent evolution. So evolution is happen, of course it is happen. This studies, this kind of evidence, it clear how the evolution takes place, and the reason behind is also there. There are so many reasons, and one of the reason is anatomical reasons, and which is this. Fine. So thank you very much. The remaining topic will be continued in our next class.